Welcome, Panos. You are presenting at the Data Modeling Zone Europe on the 18th and 19th of November this year, which is a virtual conference. You are the head of ontology at Text Kernel, and you are presenting, or the presentation is called Crafting a Data Model Evolution Strategy, Defining, Measuring, and Acting on Your Model's Semantic Drift. Very long title. Can you explain a little bit about
Yes,
what your presentation is about and who should attend this one?
of course. So the presentation is about the broad topic of semantic modeling. So what semantic modeling is creating representations and descriptions of data that are meant to communicate meaning, right? So this includes building things like taxonomies, ontologies, knowledge graphs, metadata schemas, and other types of artifacts that whose purpose is to model the semantics and the meaning of data. Now, all semantic models have some kind of life cycle. So we start from specifying them, designing them, implementing them, putting them into use. A last step of this life cycle is the maintenance and evolution of these models. So as soon as we deliver them and go into, let's say, production, what happens next? How do we ensure that they stay up to date with the changes that they may happen in their respective domains or in their respective data that they model? So this talk is about how we can create a strategy that will make sure that we stay on our models, our semantic models, stay on top of the changes that happen in the domain and the data.
Will this presentation be based on real case studies and real projects? And will it be very practical?
Yes, so it will start, of course, with some theory, right? So we will identify some basic principles of and definitions of what semantic drift is and how it may manifest in our data models. And then we will go over a concrete use case, a concrete case study, and that is going to be about the HR domain, about professions and skills, and will be based on a public model, actually called ESCO.
Okay, very interesting to have that use case in place and go over that. Thank you very much, Panos, for this interview, and see you at the conference.